Hi, my name is Kirill, and on my table you can see completely motorized LEGO Technic Track Loader 42094. It has 6 remote control functions: left and right track independent, boom lifting, the claw, operator cab rotation and rear winch. To control 6 functions I use 2 as bricks here. Unused outputs can be used, for example, for LED lights. The winch has no gearbox like in the original set, because to my mind it's not too interesting to play with it. And also there is no free space to place one more motor here. Tracks are driven by 2 large motors. You can see 2 stages of reduction to increase the torque. Also I've saved tracks tensioners. The clearance is only 1 stud less than in original LEGO Technic set. The most interesting was to design the central part of the model. It contains 3 medium motors with reducers, battery box and receivers. The central motor will lift the boom. You can see winch shaft and cabin rotation gear. And this is the power source and S bricks. I like the cabin of the official set model. It has many cool details. I left it without changes. And the last motor is mounted here in the boom. It adds more weight, but the small actuator has enough power to lift the boom. In this model I used 2 worm gears released 1 or maybe 2 years ago. I like these parts because they allow to create very compact 1 to 20 reducer. So my boom is 1 stud longer than in 42094 set. To control the model I used crane profile because it has many levers. To turn on the battery box I need axis, and now we can try to play with it. So all these bricks are connected, and now we can take a look to all the functions. The next function is boom lifting, the claw, operator cab rotation, and the winch. As you can see, the winch is rather powerful. It was very interesting to modify this set. I hope you like it too, and in the next video I'll post building instruction for my motorized version. And here you can see preliminary part list. So thanks for watching, see you next time, bye!